Another practice question on momentum. A bullet is accelerated down the barrel of a gun by hot gases produced in the combustion of gunpowder. What is the average force exerted on a 10 grams bullet to accelerate it to a speed of 500 meters per second in a time 2.00 milliseconds? So let's first get to convert the time, which is in milliseconds, to seconds. This is going to be multiplied by, we have got a millisecond on top, so we're going to take a millisecond down and then a second there. A second is bigger than a millisecond, so 1 second is the same as 10 to the power 3 milliseconds. Millisecond cancels with a millisecond, so this is basically 2 times 10 to the power negative 3 seconds. We can as well convert the mass. This is the time. We can also convert the mass, which is 10 grams into kg. We have got a gram on top, we take a gram down and then a kg there. We know in 1 kg we have got 1,000 grams. So this is going to give us 10 times 10 to the power negative 3 kg. But you can as well just say these are same bases which are multiplying, so we add the powers 1 plus negative, so this will be negative 2 kg. Alright, so this is the information that we have. And then we also have the velocity v, which is 500 meters per second. We know that according to Newton's second law of motion, force is equal to mass multiplied by acceleration. And here the force is equal to the mass is just mass. Acceleration is change in velocity divided by change in time. So the force is going to be equal to the mass here is 10 to the power negative 2. Change in velocity, it has been accelerated to a speed of this, so it is coming from rest. So 0, the final speed is 500, and then divided by the change in time. Change in time, that is 2 times 10 to the power negative 3. And so the force that is going to be exerted on the bullet is 10 to the power negative 2 multiplied by 500 divided by 2 multiplied by 10 to the power negative 3. That is going to give us 25,000 newtons. It's going to carry a negative sign because we are subtracting 500 from 0. So that is it for this question.